Welcome everyone to Stock Picks Made Easy. My name's Michael Lee and I'm the head investment strategist with the company, also the co-founder along with Doug Capehart, which you'll hear from later on. This week we're going to look at our forecast for the US stock market, seeing where the market is heading over the next 6 to 8 months, and just to give you an insight to how cycles actually work. So as members, you're going to have a monthly video just to see, so we can change as the cycles are changing. We can also give you an update, so it's important just to look at these videos once a month. They're going to run for on average between 3 to 5 minutes depending on what we're seeing in the markets, but right now we're seeing a bit of volatility and we just want to show you on the charts what we're seeing. So let's have a look at those charts for the S&P 500. So here's the chart on the S&P 500. You can actually clearly see it's in an uptrend since 2016. So going back down here, this period here, we had the correction. We saw a really big drop at the start of January 2016. And from the start of that, we've just had a rally, continue to rally up, but it keeps testing this channel. As you can see, going in, out, up, even the little bit of volatility here during the Brexit last year. And then we come back again through the typical time, which is from September the 5th, which is a high in the markets, down to late October, and then you had the election in the US, then see this strong rally with the Trump winning. Now what we've done is we've touched the top of this channel, and we're seeing a bit of consolidation through this period here, and then seasonally what we'll see is we'll see a correction through June. So we are seeing weakness coming in around the 6th of June next month. So we do anticipate to see potentially a 3% to 5% correction in the markets. Then we'll see at the end of June a strong rally, move back up to the previous highs, testing maybe 2,450, struggling at these levels, and then when it reaches the 5th of September or around that period, we're expecting a fairly decent pullback around that period as well to the end of October. And this just runs in line with what happens over and over again. And then what we see at the end of the year, the Christmas rally. And that's going to be from the end of October up until potentially around the 21st of December. And from that point there, we may return to previous highs. So from that point on, it depends whether we do see a war. There is talk about the US potentially being involved in a war in the Middle East. If this happens, it's unpredictable what the market may do, but it's likely that it will actually rally from that if we do see a war. And then also we look at defense stocks. We look at defense stocks that probably sell missiles, electronics. That may also be an area that we could also move into some investment strategies. But overall, we are seeing a very interesting times right now. The other interesting fact that you may want to keep in mind as well, historically, since 1887, years ending in a 7 have not failed or missed out on some form of crisis near the end of the month or end of the year. This will typically happen around September and October. So it won't be unusual to see about a 4 or 5 correction in one day. And then also pop back up the next day or that same week. So it drops down, corrects back up, and then it may continue going back down. Seasonally, this is just a trend that we do see. So for the rest of the market, we're going to see a little bit of volatility. You're going to have stocks in terms of earnings. So we're going to be posting our trading journals for upcoming weeks as well. We do like a few trades right now. We are struggling to see some trades for the long side, but we do see potentially some great trades coming in for the long side coming into the end of June, early July. Weakness coming in at September, so we could be seeing some sell signals, and then a rally at the end of rally at the end of October, up until December the 21st. So look, that's it for now. Just a short one. Look, if you have any questions, please send us an email. We'll answer any questions that you have. Look, I hope that was useful for you, and then please enjoy the rest of the membership. Have a great day, all the best with the trading, and we look forward to sharing the success in Stock Picks Made Easy with all of you. Bye for now.